If you've been injured in an accident and you've hired a personal injury attorney, your job isn't over. In fact, what you do or don't do can make a huge difference in the outcome of your case. I'm Louis Landerholm, partner at Pacific Cascade Legal. We work with individuals and families who are navigating their life after serious accidents. Today, I want to share the top 3 things you can do to help your personal injury lawyer build the strongest possible case on your behalf. And if you find this information helpful, I invite you to reach out to our team with any questions you have. Point 1, provide full and honest information. We need every detail: how the accident happened, any pre-existing conditions, what injuries you suffered. Leaving out this information, even unintentionally, can really hurt your case later. It's also really helpful if you keep a journal of your pain and your symptoms. Down the road, it's going to be much harder to remember what it was like 6 months, a year earlier. So if you write down how these injuries affect your daily life, whether it's your trouble sleeping or difficulty working, not being able to enjoy your time with your family, it will give us the information to be able to take that to the insurance companies at a later date. And of course, share any documentation you've collected, photos of the accident, witness contact, information, police reports, or medical records, of course. That way we have the evidence to be able to back up the claims. The more we have, the stronger your case will be. Point 2, prioritize and document medical treatment. Seek medical help immediately after your accident so that your injuries are properly diagnosed from day one. It's very common for people not to exhibit any symptoms until day 2, day 3. And so that's why it's really important to be checked out by a medical professional. And of course, once you begin treatment, follow your doctor's orders very carefully and attend all of your appointments. Gaps in treatment or ignoring medical advice can create doubt about the seriousness of your claim, and insurance companies will not want to give you fair compensation for your pain and suffering. And just as before, we talked about journaling for the pain and the injuries, it's also important to write down the progress of your treatment during the case. These medical records and personal notes are critical pieces of evidence when we present your case. Point 3, let your lawyer be your shield in communication. Do not talk to insurance adjusters, investigators, or anyone else about your case unless your attorney is present as directed you to. Insurance companies are not on your side, and even casual comments can be used against you later on in your case. And along the same lines, stay off of social media. I cannot emphasize this enough in today's world. Do not post about your accident, your injuries, or your daily activities. Even something as mundane as, and which would seem as small as a photo of you smiling at a family event, can be used against you that maybe your injuries aren't as serious as you're saying. So it's really important to just stay off of social media during this time. Be completely honest, provide full details, prioritize and document your medical treatment, and let your lawyer handle all the communication. These 3 steps might seem simple, but they're very powerful when it comes to strengthening your case. If you've been injured and need help navigating the legal system, don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions about your situation. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, or subscribe for more guidance on protecting your rights after an accident.